seen hearts turn into stone. I've heard love leave me alone. I've been tired of being strong, but I kept walking all night long. There were days I disappeared, there were nights I drowned in fear, but somewhere under all that blue, a louder voice was breaking through. And when the